Hi there everybody, it's Sanna here again today. I finally got my Wild Hare Kits February kit. It's we have the 10th of February and it has been in Vienna since the 27th, somewhere between the customs and the post office, and it arrived today, and we have a really strong winds here today. And it's really stormy, and it has been raining, it has been pouring all day. And you know what the postman did? He just dumped the envelope, you know, that cardboard envelope. I've removed it because it was soaking wet. I'm going to add a photo for you to see. He just dumped it into over the fence into our garden, and it had been lying there in the rain, in the storm all day long. And when I saw it, I thought, oh my god, everything is going to be ruined. And then I opened it, and surprise, surprise, thank goodness, this is the proof that even through storm and rain and hail and whatever comes from the sky, nothing happened actually to the kit. So it was only the cover, the cardboard box that it came in. It was soaking wet, it fell in parts, it was so wet that I could just tear it into pieces, and that's really thick cardboard. Anyways, this plastic bag saved everything, so nothing happened to the papers, nothing happened to the embellishments, everything's fine. So now let's do the unboxing. So my February kit is a petite kit. I wished for a petite one for a change, and where's the shipping document? Here it is. So let me see. It says, hope you love your February kit. We focused on bright colors with some great neutral B-sides for this kit, and also included a mix of some of your favorite embellishments, such as washi, acrylics, and some great 2x2 squares. We also sent the February cut file. Enjoy. Thanks for the cut file, because I love it a lot. I really liked it. I was hoping I would get it, with, even though it's a petite kit, and she was nice enough to put it into the kit. Thanks so much for that. And I think most of the papers are pink paisley. I think so, and there's some shimmel in there. So let's start with, you know what, let's put this aside. And there is my card, and it says, hi Sanna, happy February creating, hope you are recovering well. Funny thing happened, I had an accident on the 1st of January, and I slipped and I ripped my cruciate on my right foot this time, and I am actually waiting for another surgery. So yeah, that's for what this note is. And it's really, I'm really unlucky. So this year started not in a good way, but yeah, it's for sure going to get much better after I get my knee done, and when it's all recovered, that's going to take a few months. But yeah, I'm now walking on with a rail on my foot all the time, and it's really annoying, but thank goodness for the Wild Hare Kits, there's something else to think about. Okay, let's start with the papers. So I got a petite kit, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12x12 papers. And the first one is this gorgeous paper from the Paige Evans Truly Grateful collection, and this is paper number 8. I really love these rainbow colors here. This is a really pretty paper. I think it's all the papers, A and B sides, that you can see on this sheet of paper, I think, I'm supposing. And that's the B side. See, they are there. So I think that's how this piece of paper came together, this design. So the B side is looks like this. But I love this one. I think I'm going to use this one. And then the second paper I've already once had. Remember, I cut this into a wreath. And this is also Paige Evans Truly Grateful collection, paper number 11. And it has all these nice clocks on it. And the lovely B-side. This is perfect for February and Valentine's, this color this time. I think I'm going to use the B-side this time because I've already done something with the A-side. Previously, I think it was October or September. And the third paper is by Chimel. The paper collection is called Field Trip. And I really like these sentiments here and these words. Don't bug me, that's so cool. Explore more, let's do this. And the books. Yeah, this is cool because I have 2 boys, so I might use that for a boy layout for a change. And then, on the other hand, the other side is really gorgeous. This doodly type of paper. Really, really nice pattern. And then this is the February cut file. It's 2 hearts and perfect for love theme and Valentine's Day and wedding, whatever. Really, really nice one. And then my 4th paper is also by Chimel. The paper collection is called Field Trip. And this is really bold flowers, so lots and lots of fussy cutting possibilities here. But then again, I really like this B-side, the green and turquoise or teal together, or is that yellow? I think that's yellow. Looks really, really lovely. I think I'm going to use that one. And this paper is also from the Truly Grateful collection by Paige Evans, and it's the paper number 24. And then this beautiful color here. Look at that pattern. That's really lovely. And my last paper is from Office Hours. So these are kind of journaling cards on one side, and then this one. Love this one. This is so cool. You can do so much with this one. Definitely going to use this. Hustle and Heart. Life is meant to be lived. Love the life you live. Really great sentiments there. Be in love with your life, every minute of it. That would be really good for my one little word for 2020. Maybe I'm going to do something more to that theme too. So these were the papers. So let's put them here, the A sides. Oops. And this one. And this one, oh sorry, this way around, and I think this one. So that's the A side of the papers. I think you can see everything now. And then this is the B sides. Also lovely, lovely, lovely colors there. So some of them I cannot decide yet what to use first. And then I've got a beautiful washi tape. Who's this by? Oh, can't figure it out. Truly Grateful. Oh, it's from Sunny Days. Maggie Holmes, Sunny Days. Washi Green Floral. I love this green. This is my favorite green this season. That's what the washi looks like. Really, really pretty. Love this one. Really nice. And then I got these Truly Grateful 2x2 paper packs. There's always 2 of them, and the one has sentiments on them and the other one has just patterns. And I actually had these on my, I think it was on my October kits. And I've used them already once, but I don't mind, I can use them twice too. These are really cool. And then finally, some of my favorites. I love these Bramble Fox acrylic pieces. These are so cool. And it says hello, and it has lots and lots of lovely hearts in there, so that's really pretty. Hello, you're amazing. That would be, make a nice card too. On its own, nothing to add to that. Okay, so that's my, let's put the cut file in here. So this is my February petite kit for or by Wild Hare Kits. And I'm going to get my Scrappy on very soon and start creating with this kit, because I am a little bit late with everything because the parcel was stuck in somewhere in between airport and my home address for weeks. I don't know what they had been doing with it. But anyhow, it's here, it's safe, it's not damaged. I'm happy about that, and I can start creating with this one. So thanks for watching, and come by and see more videos throughout the month. Layouts, cards, whatever, created with this kit. See you soon. Bye!